Making a quick video on this GE drive. One issue is the knob. I'm about to use some pliers, turn it. We're making a sign, but I'm pretty much gonna go in and tear it down, showing you how to get into it. But the sign it's making. It sounds like the tension pull, I'm not for sure. But I'm gonna get into it, but these are two screws in the top to get this top here off. And you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver. I don't know if you can see, that's the model number. Right here. You're gonna have to pull back. And it'll come out when you pull up. These Phillips screws on both sides. You got to come out. And disconnect your wires. Yeah, now it's clean out the vent. That's a lot of problems when you ain't getting enough heat. You have to dry them a second time. You know, loosen this screw here so you can be able to get your hand through here. Just gonna have to move. So you can get to the so you can get to the outlet pulley. Actually, it's not the outlet pulley. It's the fan that was making all that noise. Yeah, it looks like it's cracked. It looks like it's cracked. Yeah, that's what it is. Get a order a fan and probably make another video to install one up. Meantime, clean it up, get much of this lint out as possible. But yeah, that was the noise. Removing this motor, it's gonna have to all come out together. Just gotta remember where the wires go. Take off your fuse. And you got these screws here, here. You take this out, it slides out of this pipe, exhaust pipe. And it's got these clips right here, and you got to push, slide it up. This tension pulley. It seems to, I don't know if you can see that. It goes right up in the slot. But once this motor housing slides up, this tension pulley will move out the way. Wires in this. And remove this exhaust pipe. It's a screw in the back. Screw right there. This right here, the slots come out of. You also got a screw down here to the bottom of that bracket plate. You also got to turn these clips straight in order for it to slide up. You also have a quarter screw that was located right here. I didn't think that was holding it, but yeah. Slide free. Yeah, it's completely broke off. Yeah, I don't have the part yet, but when I do, I'll make a video and reassemble everything, and pretty sure this is the issue. Just want to make a quick video making a sign and getting inside G dry. But yeah, it's a lot of work, but got it done. Yeah, I just put it back together. Cause I don't know how long the part probably come, or even I decide to even get the part. But if I do, I'm gonna have to get a start button and a blower fan. But yeah, just make a quick video making a loud noise. You know, this situation is a blower fan, not the olive pulley, and that's for G. It made the design a little different in the Whirlpool, but yeah, just want to make a quick video. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's Jimmy Appliance. Yeah, there you go.